In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Amazon Flex account in Canada. Now, this should be a quick and easy process video. All you have to do is to follow these instructions step by step. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. Now, you have to download the Amazon Flex app on your iPhone or Android in order to complete this task. So go ahead and download it and check if your device is compatible. So go ahead and visit the Amazon Flex website to see if it's compatible. Now, this is what you need to get started. You need to live in a city where Amazon Flex operates, be 19 years or older, have a valid Canada driver's license as well, have a mid-sized or larger vehicle, and then have an iPhone or Android smartphone, and after that pass a background check. So that's about it. You need to take these steps in the app as I said before. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.